Grill grates are a must-have for any serious grilling enthusiast. There are many products available to choose grill grates, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best grill grates from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Grill grates for Nexgrill replacement parts 5 burner 720-0888 and 720-0888. The Uniflacy cast iron cooking grate replacement is a durable and efficient substitute for your grill grates. Made of matte cast iron, these 17 inches by 13.25 inches grates deliver professional searing and produce prominent sear marks on your food. They fit various grill models, including Nexgrill, Kenmore, Charbroil, Expert Grill, Cuisinart, Members Mark, Uberhaus, and Uniflame. The package includes 2 cooking grates, and the product is extremely durable and easy to clean. Number 2. Weber Cooking Grate, 13.7-inch diameter. The Weber Cooking Grate fits 14-inch Smoky Joe/Smoky Joe Silver and Gold and tuck-and-carry grills. It is 13.5-inch in diameter and has out-of-carton dimensions of 13.7 by 13.7 by 0.3 inches. This grill grate is perfect for replacing old or worn-out grates to ensure even cooking and better-tasting food. Number 3. Direct Store Parts DC-115 Porcelain-Coated Cast Iron Cooking Grid. The Direct Store Parts DC-115 cooking grid replacement is made of polished porcelain-coated cast iron and comes in a set of 3. It is a replacement for various Charbroil, Kenmore, Broil King, Costco Kirkland, Centro, Kmart, and MasterChef gas grill models. The dimensions of each cooking grid are 8 and 5/16 inches by 16 and 15/16 inches, with a total of 24 and 15/16 inches by 16 and 15/16 inches. Before ordering, double-check the size and shape of your original parts and compare them with this product's dimensions. Number 4. Uniflacy Cast Iron Cooking Grates. Upgrade your grilling experience with the Uniflacy Cast Iron Cooking Grates. Designed to fit perfectly with Dyna Glow DGH 450 CRP DGH 450 CRP D4 burner, DGH 485 CRP DGH 474 CRP 5 burner cooking grid, and other compatible grill models, these cooking grates are a must-have replacement part. Made of durable cast iron, they heat evenly and retain heat superbly, allowing you to achieve professional searing and prominent sear marks on your food. Unlike enamel bars, these grates do not chip or rust out, ensuring long-lasting use. To prevent rust, follow the provided tips, such as scraping and seasoning the grates after each use, leaving the dampers open, and covering the grill when not in use. Upgrade your grilling game with the Uniflacy Cast Iron Cooking Grates. Number 5. GGC 16 and 7/8 inches Grill Grates Replacement. GGC 16 and 7/8 inches grill grates replacement offers durable, heavy-duty, non-stick grill grates made of porcelain enameled cast iron. It replaces grill models from Charbroil, MasterChef, Thermos, Kenmore, and Backyard Grill. The grates are perfect for gas grills, barbecue grills, charcoal ovens, and electric burners. They are easy to clean, and each grate measures 16 and 7/8 x 9 and 5/16 inches, while the 3 pieces measure 16 and 7/8 x 27 and 15/16 inches.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.